everyone, of me is DOOGEE V MAX, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. First of all, go into settings and scroll all the way down to access About Phone at the bottom. Now click on device name section next to model and type in wherever you wish to. Then select OK in the pop-up. Following that, you need to tap on OK in this one about visibility to confirm your choice. So when I do that, as you can see, name of my DOOGEE has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!